Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Sportmatic mode in the 2021 Kia Forte. I have in front of me here a GT Limited dual clutch transmission in Orange Delight. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, to put the vehicle in the Sportmatic mode, I'm going to go ahead, my foot's on the brake, and I'm going to put the vehicle in drive. You're going to see on the bottom left of the instrument panel there that it says D for the drive gear. So if I move the shifter over to the left, you'll see the S here has lit up and the vehicle is now in sport mode. So right now, just moving the shifter over has only put us into sport mode. You'll see in the bottom left now, it says S for basically the sport mode, and then a little 1 there to let us know what gear we're in. So we're still in the first gear. So as you drive, it will let you know because this is a 7-speed dual clutch transmission. So to fully activate the Sportmatic mode, we can then either use the shifter knob as a slap shift and bump it up, or I'll go ahead and pull on the plus paddle shifter at the top of the steering wheel here, and you'll notice that it just went to a solid number. Now we're in the Sportmatic mode, and now we're responsible for changing the gears as we drive. So to shift up, we're gonna pull on the plus paddle shifter on the right. If you wanna gear up using the shift knob, we're gonna bump the shifter up like a slap shift. Or to gear down, we can use the paddle shifter on the left side of the steering wheel with the minus on it, or we can uck the shifter knob down to gear down. Now the vehicle will gear down for you as you're driving. So if you were in 6th gear and you're starting to go work down the gears, it will bring you to a complete stop and will not let the vehicle stall. But you're responsible for making sure that it shifts up. So if you're driving and you're redlining it everywhere where you're going, it's now ready for you to change the gear up into the next gear. And if you're all done with it, or if you just don't want to use it at all, you just make sure that you have the shifter over and that the D is lit up and it's letting you know in the bottom left corner. And now it's actually just taking us out of the sport mode back into whatever drive mode we were in before. And that's how you do it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please make sure you hit that like button to show we're doing a good job. And please make sure you subscribe and select the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Also, go ahead and give us a follow on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. All of the links are in the description below. Thank you, guys.